Hey everyone, in this video, we're going to be comparing TinyTask and AutoHotkey to see if which is the ultimate automation tool in 2025. So first, let's start with the TinyTask. For the pros, it is super easy to use, no coding required. It is also portable and great for quick repetitive tasks. Loop and speed options are built in. For the cons is no logic, conditions, or scripting, no error handling or UI automation, only records visible actions like the mouse and keyboard, and not suitable for advanced workflows. Now for its key features, it is ultra lightweight, 35 KB, no install needed, simple record and playback with one-click control, loop support for endless repetition, and lastly is the hotkey assignment for quick activation. Now let's move forward with the AutoHotkey. For the pros, it is extremely flexible and powerful, can automate nearly anything in Windows. It supports logic, variables, and app control. And lastly is massive online script, library, and support. For the cons, it requires scripting knowledge, so the learning curve is steep. And it needs odd installation to run scripts, not as quick for one-time tasks, and lastly is more prone to user error if script is wrong. Now for its key features, it has full-featured scripting language for Windows automation, logic support, if or else loops, variables, and etc. And the GUI creation and complex key binding. And lastly is the script to exe compiler for standalone applications. So you can use for the quick summary, you can use TinyTask if you want a quick and portable macro recorder, and if you don't want to write code, if you're automating simple and short tasks, and if you prefer a lightweight and no installation needed. Now you can use AutoHotkey if you want to automate complex workflows, if you're comfortable with basic scripting, if you need logic variables or custom interfaces, and lastly, if you want to control applications, Windows, and system level actions. So that's it for our comparison. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!